how to remove the back seat on the Concorde. I don't know what year.
2000.
2000.
Oh, I thought this was a bad video.
There is some clips underneath. Pull it out like that, and it came out.
Yeah, what he said. He's good. You're good, fool. Nice
20
cue.
years.
You put it on the hood so you won't scratch it.
Upside down.
Upside down.
Okay, pause it.
No, ya no juego. Focus on the clip, not that ass.
Calm down. I feel threatened.
Notice how when you struggle to look for the clip, your ass tightens. You're working out. This is what they call gluteos.
Don't pay attention on the desmadre.
As you see, he's good on his knees.
Oh shit. It hurt now.
Yeah?
It hurts.
It hurts.
Fucking knees. There's two bolts. The seat belts. You're gonna have to take it off. Those bolts. Can you see them? Can you see it? Yeah, right there. There's one and there's another one.
There's another
So you
one.
can take back this up. A way to replace that speaker. Cut! Oh, and don't watch the pinche anime.
So yeah, if you wanna replace your back speakers, it's a motherfucker. Don't do it.
Yeah. Look for a professional help.
Yeah.
Like
Look,
me.
Beat Your Records, Entertainment.
Big record from me, Tay. Hook you up. Use us for the videos and we find the vehicle and we do it.
Yeah.
Oh, no bug way.
Put what other videos you like to see in the comments.
Hell yeah. Oh, Lord.
Oh la.
Make sure you got that right tool.
Yeah. That's very important. If not, you're not gonna get nowhere in life. You see? You press the trigger and it spins on its own.
And you fuck her in the pussy.
No bug way. The other one go down 11 what? 11/16.
I've been doing handed tools
Yeah.
30 years.
18.
18?
It's my name. Make sure you don't have no pinche underwear that it doesn't belong to you. You're gonna get in trouble.
Make sure you clean the back of your car out in case people come in and work on it.
Oh Lord, have mercy.
What size you say?
17 or 18.
Make sure the guy that's getting you your tools remembers what he's looking for.
He knows the tools. He's probably gonna give you a screwdriver.
But I remember.
Not a screwdriver.
Huh?
Not a screwdriver. 17 or 18 millimeter.
Here, check that one.
What is it?
That's 17.
No.
What?
Is it 18?
Give me that extension there.
El Extendo. Damn.
If the tools are belong to the owner, you throw it away.
You see?
Good job. Nice cue.
He said you're doing a great job.
No way, the 3/4.
God damn it.
I done gave you the 3/4. You said no.
Damn.
Make sure you make the owner piece.
want the short one or long one?
The long one.
Roja.
La roja.
Damn. We teach you Spanish too now.
It's an 18 millimeter socket, guys.
18
Just make sure.
millimeter.
18 millimeter.
18.
18 millimeter.
And
Yeah.
use D-Walk. Fuck Trump.
Oh, shit.
Man,
Yeah.
you're a champ.
Once you get those two bolts off, this is what it should look like. Not that ass.
Don't pay attention on the butt.
But why? Make sure you pay a professional.